You won't believe this. What's up, everybody? It's your friend IMR. And let me tell you, we're about to blow your minds with some crazy AI secrets. We're talking about writing blog posts in, like, a fraction of the time it normally takes. Imagine this. You chilling while AI does all the heavy lifting. No more staring at a blank screen for hours. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 insane ways AI can write your blog posts for you. We're talking killer content, SEO optimization, the whole shebang. This is the future of writing, people, and you don't want to be left behind. So before we jump into this AI goldmine, smash that like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with your friends. You know I gotta give back, so let's get this video to 100 likes, and I'll drop a special bonus video with even more AI secrets. Alright, first up, we're tackling research and content planning. This is the foundation of any great project, whether you're writing a blog, creating a video, or developing a new product. Without solid research, you're just shooting in the dark. Now, I know what you're thinking. Research? That's the worst part. It's tedious, time-consuming, and often feels like you're not making any progress. We've all been there, staring at a blank screen, feeling overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information out there. But hold on, because AI is about to change your world. Imagine having a tool that can sift through mountains of data in seconds, pulling out the most relevant information and presenting it to you in a way that's easy to understand. Sounds like a dream, right? We're talking about AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Writesonic. These platforms are designed to make your life easier by automating the most tedious parts of research and content creation. These bad boys are like having a super-powered research assistant at your beck and call. They can generate ideas, structure your content, and even help you find the perfect keywords to target. Need blog ideas? Boom! ChatGPT's got a list for you faster than you can say algorithm. Just type in a few keywords and it will generate a plethora of topics that are not only relevant but also engaging. Want to structure your post like a pro? Jasper will whip up an outline in seconds. It breaks down your topic into manageable sections, making it easier for you to organize your thoughts and create a coherent piece of content. And if you're stuck on finding the perfect topic, Writesonic will analyze trends and keywords to find what's hot. It looks at what's currently trending in your niche and suggests topics that are likely to attract attention. Think about it. No more endless Googling, no more writer's block, just pure AI-powered efficiency. You can close all those extra tabs and focus on what really matters, creating great content. It's like having a team of expert researchers working for you 24/7. These tools are constantly learning and improving, so the more you use them, the better they get at understanding your needs. Let me give you an example. This will help you see just how powerful these tools can be. Let's say you're writing about the best gaming laptops. This is a topic with a lot of competition, so you need to make sure your content stands out. Just tell ChatGPT, give me 10 blog post ideas about gaming laptops, and bam! You've got a list of killer topics. These aren't just generic ideas, they're tailored to what people are actually searching for. Next, feed those topics into Jasper and say, create a blog post outline for topic. Jasper will break down the topic into sections, suggest subheadings, and even provide a rough structure for your post. Boom! You've got a structured outline ready to go. It's that easy, people. You can then fill in the details, add your personal touch, and voila! You've got a well-researched, well-structured blog post. Using AI for research and planning is a game changer. It takes the guesswork out of the equation and allows you to focus on what you do best, creating amazing content. It saves you time, it sparks creativity, and it helps you create content that's actually interesting and relevant to your audience. No more second-guessing yourself or wondering if you're on the right track. Trust me, once you go AI, you'll never go back. The efficiency, the creativity, and the sheer power of these tools will make you wonder how you ever managed without them. So go ahead, dive into the world of AI-powered research and content planning, and watch your productivity soar. Okay, now that we've got our research and planning on lock, it's time to unleash the AI writing beast. That's right, we're talking about using AI to actually write your blog posts. Imagine having a tool that can take your ideas and transform them into well-crafted content in a fraction of the time it would take you to do it manually. Now, before you freak out, I'm not saying AI is going to replace human writers. Far from it. AI is here to assist, not to take over. It's like having a superpower that enhances your writing abilities. But what it can do is take your ideas and turn them into high-quality content at lightning speed. Imagine the time you'll save, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your work or personal life. Think of it like this. You're the architect, and AI is the construction crew. You design the blueprint, and the AI builds the structure. It's a collaborative effort where your creativity and the AI's efficiency come together to create something amazing. You provide the vision, and AI brings it to life. This partnership allows you to maintain control over the content while benefiting from the AI's ability to generate text quickly and accurately. Tools like Jasper and Writesonic are masters at generating full paragraphs, even entire sections based on your instructions. These platforms are designed to understand your needs and deliver content that aligns with your goals. Here's the secret sauce. The more specific you are with your prompts, the better the output. Detailed instructions help the AI understand exactly what you're looking for, resulting in more accurate and relevant content. Don't just say, write a paragraph about dogs. Vague prompts lead to generic results that may not meet your expectations. Instead, say, write a paragraph about the benefits of adopting a senior dog. This level of detail helps the AI generate content that is specific, engaging, and tailored to your needs. See the difference? The more detail you give AI, the more focused and engaging the writing will be. It's all about guiding the AI to produce content that aligns with your vision. It's like having a personal copywriter on demand. You can generate content quickly and efficiently, allowing you to meet deadlines and keep your audience engaged. And here's another pro tip. Don't be afraid to edit and refine the AI-generated content. Think of it as a first draft that you can tweak and polish to perfection. Think of it as a first draft. The AI provides a solid foundation, but it's up to you to add the finishing touches that make the content uniquely yours. Add your own voice, your own experiences, and your own unique perspective to make it truly shine. This personal touch is what will resonate with your audience and set your content apart. Using AI for drafting is all about working smarter, not harder. It's about leveraging technology to enhance your productivity and creativity. It's about leveraging the power of technology to free up your time and energy so you can focus on what you do best, connecting with your audience. By using AI as a tool, you can streamline your writing process, produce high-quality content, and still have time to engage with your readers, build relationships, and grow your brand. So go ahead, embrace the power of AI, and write like a superhero. Chapter 3: SEO Domination. Alright, we've got killer content, but now we need to make sure people actually see it. It's not enough to just write great articles or create engaging videos. We need to ensure that our audience can find them. This is where the magic of SEO comes into play. That's where SEO comes in. And you guessed it, AI is here to save the day again. With the advancements in AI technology, optimizing your content for search engines has never been easier or more effective. SEO, or search engine optimization, is all about making your content visible on search engines like Google. When someone searches for a topic related to your content, you want your blog post or video to appear at the top of the search results. It's about getting your blog posts to the top of the search results so you can attract more readers. The higher your content ranks, the more likely people are to click on it, which means more traffic and more engagement. And let me tell you, AI is an SEO superhero. It can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, providing insights that would take a human hours, if not days, to uncover. Tools like Surfer SEO and Phrase.io are like having an SEO expert on your team. These tools use AI to analyze top-ranking content, identify relevant keywords, and help you optimize your writing for maximum visibility. They analyze top-ranking content, identify relevant keywords, and help you optimize your writing for maximum visibility. This means you can focus on creating high-quality content while the AI handles the technical aspects of SEO. Here's how it works. Let's say you're writing a blog post about vegan recipes. You want to make sure that when someone searches for vegan recipes, your post appears at the top of the search results. You can plug your draft into Surfer SEO, and it will tell you exactly which keywords to include to rank higher on Google. It will also suggest improvements to your content structure, readability, and even the length of your post. It's like having a cheat code for SEO. These tools take the guesswork out of optimization, providing you with a clear roadmap to follow. AI takes the guesswork out of optimization, so you can focus on creating awesome content that people actually want to read. Instead of spending hours researching keywords and analyzing competitors, you can let the AI do the heavy lifting. And here's a secret tip. Don't just stuff your content with keywords. Keyword stuffing can actually hurt your rankings and make your content less enjoyable to read. Use them naturally and strategically throughout your writing. Think quality over quantity. It's better to have a few well-placed keywords than to overload your content with them. AI is your secret weapon for SEO domination. It provides you with the insights and tools you need to outrank your competition and get your content seen by the masses. It gives you the insights and tools you need to outrank your competition and get your content seen by the masses. With AI-powered SEO tools, you can stay ahead of the curve and ensure that your content reaches its full potential. Regularly analyzing your SEO performance is crucial. These tools provide detailed reports that help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. By continuously refining your strategy, you can maintain and even improve your rankings over time. Remember, SEO is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. Regularly update your content based on the latest SEO trends and insights provided by your AI tools. This will help you stay relevant and keep your audience engaged. So embrace the power of AI in your SEO strategy. With the right tools and a commitment to continuous improvement, you can achieve SEO domination and ensure that your content gets the attention it deserves. There you have it, folks. 3 mind-blowing ways AI can help you write epic blog posts. From research and planning to drafting and SEO, AI is transforming the writing game. Now, it's time to put this knowledge into action. Don't be afraid to experiment with different AI tools and find what works best for you. The future of writing is here, and it's powered by AI. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more AI-powered content, make sure to smash that like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, peace out.